everybody, John Cruz here at Worldwide Auctioneers, inviting you to the Scottsdale auction Friday, January 26, 11 a.m. at Sing Meadows. We've got some great cars on offer, including one of my favorites, this 1964 Sunbeam Tiger. If you know me very well at all, you know I love Tigers and have forever. I've got one myself, and my 10-year-old daughter is learning how to drive a manual transmission on that car. We have so much fun because it is, I think, the fastest little sports car that you can get. It is lovingly referred to by a lot of enthusiasts and collectors as the Baby Cobra because of the Carroll Shelby inspired and directed marriage of this British sports car with, of course, the big V8 American power plant. This specific car is body number one, production number one, so it's the first Tiger. And there are a short list of what I would call significant Tigers, and this is on the short list. It is spectacular in its restoration, presentation, but the history is incredible. The binder of documents from when it was new all the way through, notes, the Sunbeam Tiger owner's certificate, of course verifying that it's a real Tiger, but all the other stuff that you normally do not get. And the color of this car is also spectacular. Moonstone, red interior. Never seen another one. I don't think there is another one. And of course, what is vitally important on a Tiger is that you have the original foil sticker on the valve cover, which I'm going to show you. There's really no other way to prove that you have the original motor unless you've got that sticker and it's original and it's with the car. And my estimates are there are just a few short hundred of these cars that still have that, putting it in a really special category. So being the first one, it's killer colors, it's killer history. It is, in my opinion, again, one of the most significant Tigers. Can't believe we have the opportunity to offer it. It's a special car. I hope it goes to a special home. And we invite you to come check it out at the Scottsdale auction. Again, it's Friday, January 26th at 11 a.m. We'll see you at the auction.